Before starting with the topic, I would like to inform that you can support us by getting source code of the app with a subscription of just $1 per month, and you will get free updates and full support for the app. If you want to check the previous videos of this series, you can check the link in video description. After successfully implementing Add to Cart feature using providers, the default state management feature provided by Flutter team, I came to know about other state management options. Most well known among those options is Gext. It is said that Gext is powerful micro framework, and using it we can manage states, make routing, and can perform dependency injection. So many features bundled in one single library. Talking about states, Gext has two different state managers: Simple State Manager and Reactive State Manager. Simple State Manager is implemented using GetBuilder. Reactive State Manager is implemented using OBX. OBX automatically handles change in state but is more resource intensive. In our case, we already know when there will be change in state. So we went for GetBuilder. After implementing Add to Cart using Gext, there was no change in feature, functionality, or working. Together with state management, we also implemented routing and dependency injection using Gext, so that we can take full advantage of the framework. Enough talking, now let's go through the code. In this main file, all the magic starts. So here you can see instead of material app, we are using get material app because this is needed for using Gext and Gext routing. So inside get material app, we have get pages, and get pages are used to link these views. So instead of pages, we have named them views. So we have category view, we have cart view, we have product view, and here you can see we have created bindings. So bindings are way by which we can implement dependency injection in Gext. So all the views are there in the view directory. You can see that the three views that are here are actually in the view directory, and we have created controller because Gext is based on MVC framework. So we have created controller. When we were using providers, we were using MVVM framework, which is model view model framework, and here instead of view model we are using controllers. So we have created two controllers, the cart controller and product controller. In the cart controller, all the add to cart magic is happening, and because we have used Gext builder, so here you can see that we are manually updating the states. If we had used OBX, then we had we don't need to use this update, and the state would have updated automatically. So but because we knew that when to update the state, so we are using Gext builder, and we are also updating the state manually. And these are the bindings that we are using lazy put, and this dependency injection allows us to make these controllers independent. And this is pretty much it for the Gext part. And if we run the app is working same as our previous video where we implemented add to cart. If you want to check that video, you can get the link in description. Functionality wise, it's working same, but the internals has been changed. Earlier we were using providers, and now we are using Getx framework. In Getx framework we are using routing, we are using dependency injection, and we are using the state management feature. Next thing is the payment gateway. I think we will be doing payment gateway using providers, and I will show you that in the next video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel. If you want the source code of this e-commerce app, then you just have to go for a $1 subscription. It will also help us and support us for making such video. So I thank you so much for encouraging us, for those who have already subscribed. And you will also be getting the free updates that we make to the app, and also the support our team will provide you throughout the subscription. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.